Hi parents, I am Courtney Martinez, the math specialist for your campus. This video is going to show you how to complete a device readiness check to make sure that your child's device is ready to go for our MAP growth math assessment that we will be taking. So your teacher should have sent you or your child this link that is going to walk us through all of the steps. You might see this pop up. If it does, you're just going to click no, and that's going to bring us to the beginning of where we're going to start for our device readiness check. So we will click begin. And this is an interactive video website that's going to take us through the steps. We're going to stay on the screen and click these buttons, but if you need to go back or forward, you can navigate through the steps down here at the bottom. So we will click got it. And as we complete the test, we are going to be working in two different tabs, so we will need to toggle back and forth between the two. This next step is important. You will need to select the device that your child will be working on during the test. So we have, if they're using just a regular laptop, we will select Windows PC. We also have an Apple MacBook, a Chromebook, which if your child got a device from school, they were either given a Chromebook or an iPad, most likely. Some of them were given a laptop. So those are your choices. This MAP test does not run on a tablet that is supported by Android. You do have to have the Apple Store to use the iPad. Students that were issued an iPad from their school, the app will already be downloaded for you. If they are using their own iPad, they will need to download the NWEA MAP Growth app. So once you see this screen, you will click whichever device your student will be taking the test on. So I'm working on a Chromebook, so I will select Chromebook. And this next page is going to tell us and give us the link to open up the actual page where we will run the device readiness check. I will tell you mine is going to go fast because I've run it several times. It might take your device a little bit to think, and that's okay. So we will click here, and this is going to open up a new tab, and this is what the test is going to look like. So you can see it's thinking a little bit right here. What we're looking for is this. If you get this, you're good to go. Your device passed. We're ready to test. If it did not pass, you're going to see a you're going to see a red X instead of the green. This whole box will be red. Then if you see that, you're going to want to pay attention to these next boxes down here that say device, allow list, and network. This will tell you where specifically the device failed. If it failed in the device issue, these are very easy, quick fixes that I'm going to show you how to correct. If it is in an allow list or a network, then you're either going to need to contact the technology help desk to walk you through that, or it might be your personal device that you're going to need to work through. Your allow list is going to be something you will definitely need to contact help desk for. It will tell you a little more specifically on that. And then your network, if that fails, that means that your internet is not strong enough to support the system. So let's focus on device because that is the most common issues that we are seeing. The one that is really popping up a lot is the resolution. So if it fails, it's going to tell you specifically which one of these it failed on. So that means that all of these could be red, and then the resolution, if that's where it failed, will have a red X next to it. So you're going to want to remember that your device failed in the device under resolution. And you're going to go back to this tab, and this is where you will select which happened. So if it passed, you will click passed, and if it failed, we will click here so that we can walk through how to solve this problem. So it failed. Remember, we're pretending it failed in my device, so I will click device here. Here we go. And then back in this tab, all of these check marks under device, we now see them here. And so whichever one has the red X to it, that's what we're going to click here. These are all interactive that will show you how to fix it. So we can click resolution, and this will show you how to fix the resolution. Now I'm on a Chromebook, so this is how it's fixed on a Chromebook. If you're on a PC, it will have different directions for you. So that's why it's important that you click which device you are going to be on. So then I would complete these steps. I would hit Control-Shift-0, and then I can restart the device readiness check again to make sure that I passed and completed it. So just remember, we're really looking for that green check mark. This video and this interactive website will walk you through how to fix any of these issues. And if it's beyond this device, you're going to need to reach out to your teacher and to help desk to work through those. Thank you.